a big ass turbo leak, right? Boost leak.
Yeah.
So that's probably why I won. Obviously, he has an all-wheel drive, 300 and something horsepower, so he's gonna win all the time. But all right, I'm gonna take it to drive and see if I can figure out what the problem is for him.
Yeah, you can hear it over here. You can hear the exhaust leak.
God dang, that shit is loud.
Oh yeah.
What? The exhaust leak? You can hear it?
You can hear it over here on,
Let me hear it.
On the right side. You're only supposed to hear the exhaust in the back.
Yeah, not on the side, yeah.
It's really loud.
Is that a cop behind me? Is that a cop behind me, bro?
Maybe. I don't know.
I hope it isn't. I don't think it is. But damn, this shit is nice, bro. Wait, so this is your boost, and what is this? The oil pressure?
Yeah.
Oh, what is it? Which one is it? I'm confused.
The bottom's boost.
The bottom is boost. So you were doing 20 pounds of boost earlier.
Yeah.
How much pounds of boost have you ever hit? 23. That's about how much my shit hit in stock, bro.
It's like 22. I hit 23. Yeah. That's when you really on it, though.
Yeah.
It gets up to 20, and that's when I'm like,
Huh.
stop. Oh, man, I got a huge leak, and it's annoying. I should have kept up with you.
Damn, that shit is fast. I love STIs, bro. There's a lot of turbo lag.
Yeah. You feel it stuck.
Yeah, I can definitely feel the turbo lag. Definitely. Like, when you get in my car, you definitely feel the instant boost every time, right? Holy shit. And once the turbo kicks in, you definitely feel it too, you know what I mean? Wow, you heard that?
Yeah. That was probably
I heard it.
Yeah, this is fast, bro.
Bro, this car is fast. Like I said, you gotta be in the passenger seat to experience your car
Yeah,
sometimes.
really, for real.
Like, I would have never thought my car was that fast if Nick didn't drive it. But once he drove it, I'm like, oh shit, that shit is pretty fast.
Yeah. See, Nick's aggressive.
Uh-huh. Well, he got a 3.0 rear-wheel drive, so the back definitely sits, you know what I mean? And then, you got wider tires, so definitely the grip and 300 horsepower for an A car. You definitely feel the power. Every gear, everything.
Oh, yeah.
I love the sound of it. I'm in love with the sound, bro. Like, dead ass.
Just woke everybody up.
I know. I need to get straight by my shit. I could do the same shit for real. I love the sound of that. Holy shit.
I really hope there's no cops around.
Bro, I hope so too, because he's definitely coming for us. Is that the brakes?
Yeah. They're new. I just.
So it gotta set it. Oh yeah. Oh my god, this bitch is fast, bro. Like what? I'm in love with it, bro.
Yeah,
like,
I love my car.
I wish I could go back to my car and get a newer car, but fuck it. I love my car still at the end of the day.
Your car's nice. And you're
Right.
gonna have 300. You're gonna be at 3. You're probably
Yeah,
around
definitely.
300.
Definitely. Well, reason why I'm saying
We're
that.
not far off. Like,
No,
I
no,
have
no.
a little more power, but but it's not like not a lot.
Yeah. Well, another thing I like about my car is that it's instant boost. You know what I mean? Imagine if you drive your car, you drive my car, you be like, oh shoot. You know what I mean? You feel boom.
I felt it right away.
You feel it right away.
Yeah,
this one builds up more, and this one is more to the higher RPMs. My shit is like boom, 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 and then it starts to lag a little bit once you get a fourth gear. But if you get on there in fourth gear again, it'll wake back up. First, second, third boost, and then fourth gear it will be waking up, and fourth gear will wake the fuck up. But definitely, we can definitely get a shot of your shit spitting flames. I wish it was nice and bright out here with like more lights. I could have got a picture of your shit spitting flames. Yeah. That would be cool. We gotta.
I want to see it sometime.
I know a place in Lancaster that has lights in the city, and then once you drive around, we can do that. And it's a 2 lane, so if you get on it hard and you get the exhaust really high, we can definitely get your shit spitting fire on a photo. That would be insane.
That would be sick.
That would be insane. For sure. Well, we gotta wait till summertime, you know what I mean? That I can hang out with. So it's too fucking cold outside right now. Yeah. Then we can do that. We can get your shit spitting fire while it's driving. That'll be dope.
Yeah, Nick said he saw 130 going down the road we raced on. Yeah, he saw it because it's like really dark and it's easier to see if it's dark.
Holy shit, this race is fast. Oh, I was switching gear. I missed the gear right there, bro. Yeah. I almost put it in gear, but I took my leg off the clutch fast. So I put it in neutral. My bad. That was a rookie mistake. I told you. What did you? I told you it's way faster in the passenger seat than it is in the driver's seat.
Shit out of me.
Yo, I told you it's way different. Yo, I told you it's way different when you're in the passenger seat than it is in the driver's seat.
Oh yeah.
That's why I wanted you to try it. You should race a Tesla someday. Oh hell no, you're not gonna win.
No. I had
those electric.
I had a Tesla run up beside me, and it just like instant power. Like,
yeah, well, it's a lot of torque and a lot of electric motors going on in there.
I was getting on it too, and it just went boom right by me. I was just like, oh.
Yeah, but I love this shit though. I ain't gonna lie. Like your shit is fast. It's pretty fast. It's not slow.
It's alright.
Holy shit.
Yeah, that clutch.
Bro, the clutch is heavy, bro.
Yeah. You just gotta let it off real.
Uh-huh. What the hell is that? You got a cop?
No.
Yo, did you hear that? What was that? Did you hear the cop's siren go off real quick, like 2 seconds ago? It sounded like an alarm. It looked like you made somebody's alarm go off.
Yeah.
Yo, this shit is fun, bro.
That's what I try to do all the time, make the alarm go off.
We gotta go to the hospital. Inside, yeah.
Bro, I love his fucking car, bro. Like,
It's pretty quick.
I wish I had it. I wish I would have went with STI, but I love the instant power I get with my car for sure.
Yeah.
I
just like the all-wheel drive.
Yeah, me too. I love the all-wheel drive about it.
It definitely grips. Like, you can feel all the power in all the wheels.
Yep. Like my shit, you feel that shit go like that. You're like, oh shit,
Yeah.
let me catch on to that shit.
Like, the power's there. It's just like, it's different. It's a different feeling. It's
Yeah, I just don't like the clutch. It's just too heavy. I almost freaking stalled it over here, right here.
I know. That's why I kind of don't want to go to a stage 2 or 3 clutch.
Yeah.
I'm just like, damn.
But my shit is a little, it's alright, it's not that bad.
Mine's nothing compared to YouTube. Mine's like,
Man, like, yeah, I remember.
Yeah, yours is heavier than his.
Yeah, it is. I remember driving yours like
mine's
couple
like,
months
there's
ago.
nothing there.
Yeah.
It's just like nothing.
This car's a beast, bro. Appreciate it for letting me drive this bitch and taking the L in the ST. But I'm lying. He got a bunch of boost leak and stuff like that. So that's why we're gonna fix it and we're gonna race again. I'll probably have my downpipes and I'll probably have a better tune by then.
Then we're gonna have a rematch.
We have a rematch and we will see. Yeah. I'm going on a dyno tune and we will see.
I need to get on a dyno too. Speaking of which,
how do you turn your lights off? Right here.
Yeah.